As God pleases. You said you left with accused number 4 and other people. How many other people?
Muzi.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Muzi. Yes.
Muzi.
It's Muzi.
Abanye abayi-2
Other 2.
and ukwabinweza
Just once again, Muzi accused number
1.
It's number 1.
So last week we started the series of Inganekwane Gazungu, where of course Zungu gives us the story, okay, the fairy tale of how he knows the 5 accused. Listen, he's so scripted. He even gives them nicknames just to show the court that I know these guys. I don't just know them, but I even know their nicknames. There is Umuzi, that's accused number 1. Umafiga, that's accused number 2. Then there is Ugadla. That's accused number 3. Number 4 doesn't have a nickname. He just calls him He doesn't actually call him by name. Does he? I don't think he did. And then there's who? Accused number 5, who he calls Nkani. Now let's talk about Nkani. This video is going to be all about Nkani. And if you don't know who Nkani is accused number 5, FISOKUHLE NTULI. Okay? So FISOKUHLE NTULI is serving 6 life sentences, okay, for 3 Zungus plus that he unalived, okay. And last week, Miss Fearful Patricia Mashale did what? She revealed the interesting connection between who? FISOKUHLE NTULI and Zungunizer, okay, which totally shocked me. But then I said, you know what? Let me go back to that clip. There's the clip where who? Baloyi said what? That FISOKUHLE NTULI, accused number 5, was doing trigger pulling gestures in court, which amounts to contempt of court because he was threatening the witness. And this is when accused number 5 was giving his account of how he was with all the 5 accused the night of Senzo Meyiwa's death, and that they came back and they celebrated with the whiskey, and Umafiga, that is Bongani Ntanzi, changed his sweater from black to gray, matching the description from those who were in the Spaza house. Now, speaking of a Spaza house, I got a comment. You know what? My comment section, I think we have some new people in here, so let's lay down the ground rules. First and foremost, if you don't like it when I give commentary on my videos, I have news for you. It's going to happen on every single video. Spoiler alert, it's going to happen on this video too. So if you don't enjoy my interruptions, they said, interruptions. No. We call them a commentary, okay? Analysis, or if you want, digressions, okay? This is not the video for you. Just go ahead, hit that X button, just exit left, okay? Just exit left silently, okay? I don't know when I'll have a silent video because I'm not about to get my channel shut down by YouTube. So with that said, okay, that's rule number 1. Rule number 2, someone said I was very disrespectful to Spazas countrywide. Now, I don't know if you just joined the channel, but anytime I mention the Spaza house, it has only ever been one Spaza house. I didn't call it the Spaza house. It is painted right across the building. It says Spaza. Okay, I didn't do that. The Spaza house, in case nobody knows, anytime I mention Spaza house, there is only one Spaza house I will ever refer to on this channel, which is Makumalo's house over there in Vosloris. Okay, and somebody said the Spaza house without inventory? Yes, that one. That Spaza house that no investigating officer speaks about the inventory of the Spaza. But you know what? I digress. So in this video, let's go ahead and watch FISOKUHLE NTULI. One more time, I'm going to enlarge it. Let's see these trigger pulling gestures. I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
As God pleases. You said you left with accused number 4 and other people. How many other people?
Muzi.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Muzi. Yes.
Muzi.
It's Muzi.
abanye abayi-2
Other two,
and ukwabi inweza wathi
Just once again, Muzi accused number.
1.
it's number one.
This is what I think he's saying, but correct me in the comment section. Yeah. When? Did. That's what I think. Let me know what you picked up. I picked up the, hey, when? Come here. I will. And yeah, I'm telling you. So then this is what happened the next day, because Baloyi doesn't have eyes in the back of his head. So somebody said, Baloyi, 1, 2, 3, 4. Baloyi is fuming.
Two Kwabini wenzani?
weza naye wathi uzohamba nathi uzojika egate.
Kwabini also came and said that he was gonna just walk with us and then turn around at the gate.
Yeah, just this court
Yes.
wants to place it on record that I will not entertain the hearsay. I'm not going to take it into consideration.
As a court places.
All the hearsay,
As a court
so that it
places.
mustn't be said that I incorporated it into my judgment if I ever write one.
As a court places. Yes. What happened further?
Kwasekuwenzekanike?
Emva kwalokho sabe sasihamba wathi sophuma wafika uGwabini wadilika egeyithini wakhuluma nabanye taxi emile wakhuluma nabo.
We then went and up to the gate, and then at the gate, that's where Kwabini then spoke to some others that were in a taxi. I spoke to them. Yeah? Uthe wakhuluma nabo, ngakhuluma nabo. Okay.
yena wakhuluma nabo.
Okay. The witness is correcting that no, I did, that is referring to himself, I didn't speak to him, but Kwabini spoke to them.
Yes. What happened further?
Kwasekuwenzekanike?
The learned prosecutor says.
As a court please, my lord, after yesterday's proceedings,
Yes.
a video clip has been brought to the state's attention, which in our submission, my lord, might amount to contempt of court in facie curiae. And, we just seek guidance of the court. We're ready to play the clip here that shows one of the accused making certain gestures to the witness whilst he was testifying. And, we just seek the court's guidance as whether this court prepared to watch the clip and that an inquiry be made regarding that possible charge of contempt of court in facie
Who brought
curiae.
the video into your attention?
Yes.
Somebody brought it to your attention?
Yes, the investigating team. Yes.
Oh, the investigating team?
Yes. It's a clip of this camera, my lord, that captured one of the accused making gestures to this witness while he was testifying.
Yeah,
And
okay, we have to view it because
Yes.
I can't determine without seeing it whether there's a contempt of court.
as a court places.
But you advise Mr. Nisi what is happening. See yourself there.
Mr. Ntuli, uyabuza ujaji ukuthi uyayibona lapha le video. Yes, I do, my lord.
What were you intending to convey to the witness?
Bekuyini le bekuyisifiso sakho sokuthi undlulisele
Objection, my lord.
umfanekiso?
My lord, the accused is represented.
Mr. Shodolo? Just sit down. I have seen the video and I am asking the accused. You will make your representation thereafter. Now you want to make the representations before you have even heard me. Is that what you're saying?
As the court
Which
please.
procedure is that? Yes, sir. What were you intending to convey or what are you conveying? If at all you're conveying anything.
Uma ukuthi khona ukushoyo okudlulisayo, yini lokudlulisa noma bekuyisifiso sakho sokuthi undlulise?
Hayi ukuthi ngisakhuluma ukuthi ngikhuluma ngoba lokho okhuluma ngayo shela banombono
I can't even remember what it is that I was talking about because the person that is being referred to, my lord, is seated here as the witness is pointing and the prosecutor is obscuring the view. I can't even see that person.
My question is simple. What were you intending to convey, if at all? I'm not talking whether you see the witness or what. I'm looking at that clip and I see you're making facial gestures and expressions. Just want to understand what were you intending to convey to whoever? I never spoke about the witness.
inkantolo ithi ayikhulumanga ngofakazi nokuthi bekubanike noma uma kuwukuthi kukhona lokho kukusho bekuyini noma lokho kuhlose ukuthi ukusho uthi akakhulumanga ngofakazi uthi ukhuluma nje ngalokho akubonayo la ku-video ujaji.
Hayi angisakhumbuli ukukhuluma ngoba isiprogram.
I can't remember what it is that we're talking about because there is a lot that we are discussing pointing to where they are seated.
Yes, Mr. Msholo.
Ungahlala.
Any submissions regarding what is happening in the clip about your client?
Thank you, my lord. I have consulted with Mr. NTULI regarding this clip, my lord. The problem we had firstly is that there are no utterances that we could hear from the video clip.
Have you heard of sign language? It's now official. It's an official language, sign language. Right, you heard me. So?
Yes, and then when I was asking him as to what was he doing, Mr. NTULI, my lord, denies that he was referring to the witness when he was speaking with the gesture depicted in the video clip. As you can see, my lord, that he was speaking next to number 4, who was next to him, not that he was speaking to the witness.
Okay, fine. Mr. Baloyi?
As a court pleases, my lord, from the clip it can be seen that there's a gesture of a pulling of a trigger, and to me, my lord, that is very serious.
He says he was just speaking.
Yes. At this stage, my lord, we just request the court to bring it to the attention of all the accused that interfering with any witnesses might amount to contempt of court in facie curiae, and that they should desist from such conduct.
Okay.
Yes. And I can refer the court to this handbook by Sneyman Criminal Law, 7th edition.
Just read that for us.
At page 287.
You must interpret for the accused.
One thing about Baloyi, he is going to read from his book and books and books and books. But let me know in the comment section down below, do you think that was a trigger pulling gesture? Was FISOKUHLE NTULI threatening the witness, Zungunaiza, or was he having a chit-chat with his friends, accused number 4 or accused number 3? From my point of view, he certainly was speaking with accused number 4, of course, with some added gestures towards the witness, Zungunaiza. Did he say "wena"? Yes, I heard it, even though there's no audio, but we see his lips moving. And then did he also say, I did not see trigger pulling. That doesn't look like a trigger. Do you pull it? Wait. Oh. I just did. You see, I've never been an Inkabi, okay? I've never pulled the trigger. So I've just done it. Like I've done the gesture. And then, yeah, from the camera angle. Let me know what you think. And then I will join you in the comment section and we will digress over there. Let's continue listening on because Baloyi has an urgent read for us, okay?
Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
The court, please, my lord, says the handbook of Sneyman Criminal Law, 7th edition, where the learned author discusses contempt of court. And he defines it as follows. Contempt of court consists in unlawfully and intentionally violating the dignity, repute, or authority of a judicial body or a judicial officer in his judicial capacity. And he then discusses the various forms of contempt of court, both outside and in court. And when he discusses contempt of court in facie curiae, that is inside court, he mentions the following examples. Interfering with witnesses or presiding officer. He says X commits contempt of court if he improperly influences or attempts to influence a judge, magistrate, assessor, party to a case, complainant. My lord, at this stage, we're not going to insist on a formal inquiry. We just want the court to admonish all the accused that such conduct might fall foul of the law and constitute contempt of court in facie curiae.
Fine, Mr. Rapelesi, before you, Ramasipidi, sorry. Any comments as an officer of this court about the strictures of the law which Mr. Baloyi has read for us? Any comments?
As the court pleases, my lord, I was also made aware before we came to chambers, my lord. And upon our return, I did also speak to accused number 1 and 2 about the required conduct in court, my lord, as the court places.
Mr. Nisi?
As a please the court, my lord, it is indeed so that the trial should take place in an open and fair environment that is free from intimidation. However, in the context of the case, it does sometimes happen that flares temper, what do they call it now? Yes, flares temper or tempers flares. I think we should just request the accused people to refrain from doing that, because that affects the quality in which the witnesses will be giving their testimony. And vice versa, witnesses should also, if there are any witnesses, they should also be cautioned not to do or say something that would affect the emotions of the accused. Thank you very much. And I'm very grateful to the state the manner in which it approached this matter. Thank you.
Mr. Romano?
My lord, it was also brought to me this morning. I've also raised it with my client that they should, respect the decorum of the court. That is far I can take it. Thank you.
Mr. Cholo, you want to add?
Thank you, my lord. Just very few submissions, my lord. I also appreciate, my lord, what has been brought to the attention of this court, especially a reference to this name and criminal law, what is contained there regarding the behavior in which we should behave, including our clients, as well as the witnesses in this court. However, my lord, I would also like to put it on record that if the state was serious and aware of what has been brought to the attention of this court, this ought to have been brought first time when Mr. Tumelo insulted our clients, and the state did not do anything. So I appreciate what is being done now, so that the witnesses also, they will be told that they are not allowed to insult at our clients. As much as our clients also are not supposed to behave in any manner, the witnesses too should be warned for the same. And also, my lord, lastly, to say, regarding the actions when they are sitting in the witness at the box, maybe we need to get a clarity there whether they should not make any actions, something like that, my lord.
If you want to question, you can go.
Thank you, my lord.
No problem. Let me tell you, I've got 50 years experience in criminal law. And I'm just generally telling you this. I know all the tricks. I can tell you, I saw those gestures when the witness who did a turnabout under cross-examination by Mr.
The other day?
Yes, I was watching. I just kept quiet.
Thank you, madam.
If you want to confirm this, you can ask the JP. I brought it to the attention of the JP. So I'm saying bad. Please.
Thank you, madam.
I'm not. Not this judge.
Indeed, my lord, we are indebted to the court generally, and unfortunately, my lord, for some of us, we don't have eyes at the back, so
no,
we just focused.
I'm just saying I noticed it. Okay. I noticed it. You must know that. Okay, thanks. I'll just leave it at that. Yes, Mr. Baloyi?
As a court pleases, my lord, we can also confirm that what the court has remarked now regarding the other witness, Mr. Buteles, that was also brought to our attention.
No, I saw it.
Hence, we felt that that the accused should be admonished about such conduct.
I saw it. I just kept quiet. That's why I mentioned it. Okay, Mr. Baloyi, let's start.
As requested by the state, my lord, we just request that the accused be admonished and be made aware that such conduct will in future perhaps might attract
sanctions.
The contempt of court process.
Yeah, only accused are warned to desist. Disturbing the decorum of this court whilst witnesses were giving evidence, no gestures should be directed at the witnesses. I read the case for all the accused counsels, R versus Epworth of 1928, which says a criminal case is not a joke. It's not a joke. Serious matter.
Serious court.
So you're warned accordingly. Yes, Mr. Baloyi.
As a court, please, my lord.
One thing about Shalolo, as Baloyi calls her, is that she doesn't let anything slide, okay? She will wait for the perfect moment to strike, and we heard her say, that was a great read from my learned colleague, Baloyi. Thank you so much for reminding us on the court decorum and the manner in which we should behave, including our clients and witnesses. This should have then been brought to the attention of the court when Tumelo insulted our clients. You go shololo, okay? That was a brilliant move. Did the court acknowledge her? No. Did Baloyi object? No. So therefore, has Dumelo, okay, Madlala, been forewarned that he could have been in contempt of court? You know what? This is the sense of Mayua trial. First of everything, and the court continues. Court is back on Friday. Let me know in the comment section down below if you are excited, because everybody is returning, and it will be Captain Dini still on the stand, with the defense continuing with their cross-examination. That is it. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching all the ads. Thanks for not skipping the ads. You absolutely have my heart. And if please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video, okay? I see it that you guys are sharing to your WhatsApp, and I appreciate it. You can share it WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter. I don't know. I don't think you can share it to Snapchat, but you can share this videos, okay? And also, if you are watching from outside the club, it is very cold outside. It could possibly snow while you're outside. So make sure you come in, subscribe, hit that subscription bell, hit that notification bell. Make your life easy and make me happy as we are on the road to 50,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness, that is so exciting. That is absolutely exciting. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next upload. Thanks for watching. Catch you on my next upload.